Xpert-60's luxury Carnauba wax. Carnauba is the world's hardest wax, and it's in this bottle. Xpert-60, delivering perfect results time after time. As I've already mentioned, it's very easy to use, so let me show you. Always shake well prior to application. Like any other polish, do not apply in direct sunlight or to hot surface areas. Apply a thin even layer and leave to haze over. Apply a thin even layer and leave to haze over. Buff to a full gloss shine. Xpert-60's luxury Carnauba wax, delivering perfect results time after time.